It's a fine, lovely day. Right, I have bought another car. It's only just a cheap car, just to flip, because for some reason I'm spending, if I spend 2 or 3 grand, cars are so hard to sell. It took ages just to sell that bloody Peugeot. 1,600 quid I tried putting it out for. In the end, I think I got like 1,400 quid. So, guys, I made hardly any money. Literally about 100 quid I think it owed me in the end, by the time everything's all done. Anyway, I'll show you what I've bought now. Now, guys, obviously just bread and butter car. As you can see, it's a little Fiesta. I need to clean all these headlights, give it a good old clean. Missing the cap on there, which is quite common. Not sure if I'm going to change it yet. It seems like there is a brand new tyre that looks new. The treads up brilliant. I don't know what tyre this is. It's Sumo, Tomo, whatever that is. These wheels could do a nice clean. The only annoying thing is on this car, yeah, it's cracked, so I might get a new one of them. And all this, someone's touched up the wrong colour. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wash this, wet and sand all that, and I'm going to get the right colour so it doesn't stand out as much. Just needs a good clean. Another brand new tyre on here. It's a GT Radial, brand spanking new. Looks like it's got new drums on the back as well. This tyre's all good. Yes, this back end's all nice and clean, as you can see. I get a new window wiper, just that's nice. That's all good, the roof's all good, that light's all good, that corner's all good. Slight little mark here, that should polish out. Another brand new tyre. Hello cheeky, stay there out of the road. Say hello. Hi.
Hi.
Good girl. Say hello everyone.
Hello.
You're looking very pretty. As you can see inside, all the cars I get are always dirty. So, look at that, no wear or tear on the bolster, which is bloody brilliant. Yeah, it just needs a general clean. So this has got the aircon as well. No doubt it won't work. It's done 111. This in the back. Just general mess really. I'll tell you what does go on these. The boot release never works on these, so see if this one works. Oh my god, this one actually works. Let's see in the boot. People's junk. What's this? Professional heating stuff, so it's not anything to do with the car. Fire cement, don't need that. And some screen wash. Some Watsits. And spare tyre and jack by the looks of things. No lock and wheel, not though. Damn it. It is a car. You can jump in a minute. This has got a book pack, but I haven't actually looked through it yet. Let's see if it's got any service history. That's just audio book. Oh, there you go, service book. Obviously the Citroen didn't have any, the Peugeot didn't have any service because you ain't got no glove box, so you, right. Right, so look at that, got service history. 10,000, 24, 30,000, 70,000, 63, 70, 89. Right, there's no more after 89, so 89. Any more on this page? No, nothing on that. Nothing on that. Oh, there's another stamp here. What's this? Supply and fit cam belt. There you go, cam belt got done at 63,000 and a new battery as well in 2016. Wicked. So part service history then, pretty much, because it's done in 111, so it's 20,000 miles. So it's literally only missing about 1 or 2 years, which I'll be servicing anyway. Oh look, key code for the radio. No locking wheel nut though, is there? Damn it. But obviously this has had new tyres, so... Alright, that one ain't got locking wheel nut then. That one has. Looks like they've actually tried chiselling it off. Right, so what we're going to do now is going to clean this all up quickly. It's just MOT runs out in 10 days. So the plan is to clean this up, check all the pre-MOT, check the tyres are all good, check everything else, and then we'll go from there. To say guys, literally right, look, these engines are bloody brilliant. It literally starts on the button. Listen to that sweet engine. Can't go wrong with Fiestas really. So much better than Peugeots. Right, there's one issue with this car so far. Obviously the clutch is all fine, it drives all fine, but for some reason, watch this. ABS light's on. The ABS light is on. Now what could that possibly be? So I'm going to get the old Maxi Pro out. And we plug it into the OBD, which is down by there. And let's see what it says. Well guys, that's one of the reasons why the ABS ain't working. I think that's a bit mullered. So you're going to have to buy another one of them. But the annoying thing is, guess what? You've got to buy the whole thing, 50 quid. Not just one sensor, which is all I need. You've got to replace that side as well, because it's whole joined into a single wire. What a nightmare. Right guys, I've just done the pre-MOT and the tyres were all good, which is brilliant, obviously, because there are two new tyres at the back matching, tyres at the front are matching. Also, I done the ABS, I put it on the code reader and checked that, and basically it's come up with a fault saying it's the left ABS sensor, which I've taken off, and it's annoying because obviously I've got to buy two because it's a joint one. Jesus Christ, it's hot. It's like 27 degrees. Oh, it's nice. Basically I checked everything, checked all the suspension, everything seems all perfectly fine. The track rod looks like it's a bit worn, so maybe they would advise that, otherwise I'm just going to change it anyway. The suspension is all nice and good. Checked obviously the springs, no cracks or nothing damaged, there's no rust on this car whatsoever. 07 plate, right, that Citroen was corroded all over the place, and this, even the Scooby was literally rusty as hell everywhere, all underneath corrosion. 07 plate Fiesta, and there's not a single bit of rust on any of it. Little tiny bit on the exhaust, that's it. It's mental. So everyone that this is faults, well, you know, much better than bloody French rubbish. Also, what else was there? Yeah, so check tyres, check the suspension. Brake pads look like they're like halfway probably, so I might just change them anyway for the new owner. Window wipers are all new, decent Bosch ones. Check the lights. Horn works. Actually, I haven't checked the horn yet. Let's check the horn quick. Yeah, horn works, because that's always a bloody annoying one. Side lights, no side lights whatsoever. Two bolts must have gone, so gonna change them. Main beam works, full beam works. Side lights on the back work, but the brake light 2 on the left side is not working, so I need to get some bulbs for that. What else was there? Overall, I'm really chuffed with this, 111,000 miles, and what do you guys think I actually paid for this? Bearing in mind it was a repo, it had no key, so the risk could have been engine could be effed. So I've had a key cut, that was 120 quid. I've won and got it, which cost me 30 in fuel, and then another freaking 15 quid because of stupid congestion crap. So I spent 120 on the key and 45 to get it. What do you guys think all in I paid for this car? Anyway, next thing is order the bits for this car. I'll wash it, get it all MOT'd, and we'll go from there. It's a quick video, and I hope you liked it. Thanks for, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you later. See you later.